Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize automatic system updates options in Realme 14x phone. First, where to find it. So, settings. Then in settings, system and updates. Then at the very top we have software update menu. We are not connected to the internet, but we don't have to be to show you these options. So at the top, three dots menu, tap once, auto update, and here we have some options. So auto download options. We can have our downloads via Wi-Fi or mobile data, Wi-Fi only, mobile data only, or we can disable them all. Of course, as you can see, we have the option to auto update overnight if we want to. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.